I have some bad news. Really, really bad news. My Camry died. Yes, I said it. My Camry died. The transmission went out. I'm out of work. Terrible news. Now, before I keep going and before I start crying and all this, let's go back to the timeline. Allow me to explain. Now, this is a beautiful timeline of my beautiful Camry, and I'm just gonna go through what happened from day one to the last day of its life. So right here you have at 0 miles, well no, actually at 3 miles, I bought the car in 2019. So between there and 155,000 miles, I changed the oil every 10,000 miles. Yes, that's what I did. Transmission fluid change at 155,000. The dealership or the factory manufacturer would tell you to change it every 30 to 60,000 miles. I have no idea why the dealership said that. Now, I can't blame them. I have to blame myself for it, so I'm not gonna blame them for it. Then from 155 to 186, that's the second transmission fluid done at a different dealership. Then from there, 266,000 miles. But before that, it was at 250,000 miles. That's when I started having a transmission shudder. And if you know what that is, that's when the car is really starting to just shake. It usually started shaking at 45 miles an hour. So between 250 and 260, then I changed the transmission fluid, that third one. So after that third transmission fluid change, what happened was so basically it started slipping. Not right away, but it eventually started slipping in the mornings, and then it still shuddered. So I had both things going on, but I still drove it anyway. I think, thought it was gonna go away. Then eventually, transmission went out. Yes, at 278,000 miles, after 4 years, about 4 years of driving, it went out. Yes, yeah, that's about it. Now, if you guys want to know what's gonna happen next to the Camry, just stay tuned. Alright, so all of this is just a little update video on what happened to my Camry. If you guys want to find out what's gonna happen next to the Camry, just like the video, subscribe, and for our future videos. Now, if you want to support my channel, there's gonna be a link in the description. You could download Webull. You could get some free stocks. That's up to you. I'm not making you do that, and I'm not sponsored by them. But yeah, I'll see you in the next videos, hopefully. And till next time, God bless.